Good morning, everyone. Pedro here with another video. Just want to welcome you guys to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You got it, dude.
Comment below. Love to hear from you guys. With that being said, let's dive in. All right, guys. So today we're going to be taking a look at USD JPY, and I want to show you guys basically what I'm looking at. So with that being said, let's dive in. Currently, we're looking at the 1 hour. So take a close look, guys, as to what I'm doing, because this is how you're going to be able to kind of understand what the market is potentially signaling. And so what I'm looking at, guys, as you can see, price has been moving bullish. So we could expect price to potentially pull back at some point. It seems like price is exhausting. Price is taking that nice break, but I can expect price to come potentially even lower, to be honest. So it seems like there is weakness in terms of price pushing further higher. So I can definitely expect price to potentially, once it breaks these lows, we can expect price to come to this key level over here. So I am expecting price to come down further. And if that's the case, we would be able to get into a really nice trade. So what am I looking at? Ideally, I'm looking at this level over here. Basically, I'm looking for price to break and retest. So we are on the 4 hour. So if we move down to the 1 hour, you can get a much clearer picture. And as you can see, price has been moving down lower and lower, but it has been maintaining this floor. So essentially what I would advise, like I mentioned, once we see price break these lows, that is a go for us, guys. That is a key indicator that price is potentially going to go further. We wait for price to pull down, wait for that pullback and retest to this key level, and then we can get into a nice short. So just for example purposes, if we see price come down here, we can set our stop losses around here. We could put a 25 pip stop loss and we can set our targets. Keep in mind, guys, as well, this is a longer term trade, but within that longer term trade, we can take small trades that we can get in and out within the next few days. So this is something I did notice. Like again, if we look at the 4 hour, we understand the overall direction. We can see that price has been moving aggressively, guys. So this is a perfect opportunity to get in the markets basically and take advantage of the potential sells that we can expect on price. And so we could see how price was moving bullish, and then we did see this break over here. So we are seeing that exhaustion in the market. And so lots of great potential here. Another key level over here where I could expect price to come down. So something I'm going to keep an eye out, guys, and keep an eye out. Make sure you watch my videos. I am posting Monday to Friday. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. I am posting every single day, Monday to Fridays. So I will keep you up to date with this one, and we'll take a look at this pair again. We'll do a quick overview of GBP JPY as well. This is another trade that I did mention was going to be bearish. And as you can see, price is pulling back as predicted, which is awesome. We were seeing that huge bullish momentum. Again, this is the daily. If we take a look at the 4 hour, remember I had mentioned that price needed to exhaust, needed to pull back. And as you guys can see, price has pulled back. And so we were looking at these levels over here. You can see that massive correction. And in fact, again, as I mentioned to you guys, right, we can see this is a level here of key level here. We could look at a resistance and support, but you can see price broke it. Then it kind of struggled, came back up, and just can go to the 1 hour to see it more clear. And now we can definitely expect, you can see that price is just breaking this low this could also be a good break and retest. So this could be a really good sell right now. See, it's reaching a key level of support. Price has broken down this level of resistance, this level of resistance, and this level of support, which becomes future resistance over here. And you can see price is rejecting the 0.618 on our Fibonacci. And then we could see rejection. So price failed to continue to go higher 1, 2, 3 times, and now it fell. So this time it basically created a double top essentially, and we are seeing price currently and actively breaking this low right here, which indicates to me that price has so much more room to come down even further to these lows over here for today. So this is a nice good trade here, even if you get in here. Yeah, like even there, right there, guys, you could take a look at that. Look at that. See, that's a good opportunity as well. It is a little bit higher risk because we are getting in a little bit late. I would have personally gotten more around here, kind of like around this area over here. That would have been much less risk. But again, just showing you an example of the opportunities that presents itself in the market. And this is GBP JPY. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to comment below. Like I mentioned, I post every single day, Monday through Friday. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help. I appreciate all the comments, guys. I do read every single comment, so make sure you comment below. Love to hear from you guys. And that's all I have for today, guys. Wanted to do, like I mentioned, this quick overview for you. And if you have any video suggestions as well, please comment it below. And I would be more than open to listen and actually make another video on something that may be of your interest. So thanks so much, guys, and I will catch you until next time. Bye for now.